Welcome to the best picks. The best Dremel Kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any woodcarving enthusiast, offering a wide range of applications from intricate detail work to shaping and smoothing larger pieces, allowing you to bring your creative visions to life with precision and control, transforming ordinary wood into extraordinary works of art with ease and efficiency, making it a worthwhile investment for both beginners and experienced woodcarvers alike. Number 5. Dremel 4000 Kit. Get ready to explore the Dremel 4000 Variable Speed Rotary Tool Kit. It's packed with everything you need to tackle a wide variety of projects. This powerful motor delivers consistent performance at all speeds, from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. It handles even the toughest jobs with ease. The innovative airflow system keeps it cool and quiet, even during extended use. Say goodbye to overheating and noisy operation. Its slim and ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, no matter how you hold it. You'll appreciate the comfort during long projects. Separate on-off switch and speed dial give you precise control. It's easy to select the perfect speed for every task. With 34 versatile accessories included, you're ready for sanding, grinding, cutting, carving, polishing, and more. The possibilities are endless. For key attachments, a cutting guide, sanding grinding guide, circle cutter, and detailer's grip, expand its capabilities even further. These attachments make intricate work a breeze. The Dremel 4000 Kit, with its powerful motor, innovative design, and wide array of accessories, is your all-in-one solution for countless DIY and crafting projects. Unleash your creativity. What we like. It boasts a wide array of accessories and attachments, making it perfect for various tasks. Its high-performance motor ensures smooth operation even on demanding projects. If you need a tool that can handle many different jobs and comes with everything you need to get started, this is the one for you. What people say. The flex shaft is a lifesaver for those hard-to-reach spots. I've used it for everything from carving wood to cleaning up metal parts. Lots of power and very durable. Great design which is easy to hold in any position. 5K, 35K RPM is enough for my small projects. The control is pretty solid as well. So far, the 4000 seems to be good for sanding, polishing, small cuts in thinner pieces of material, with the bits included for the 38-piece kit. Number 4. Dremel 4300 Kit. This is the Dremel 4300 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. It's the ultimate tool for all your DIY projects. Inside, you'll find the high-performance rotary tool, 5 attachments, 40 high-quality accessories, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need to get started. It boasts our most powerful motor yet, delivering maximum performance even for the toughest jobs. You'll get consistent results every time. With variable speed from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM and electronic feedback, it gives you precise control for any application. It's perfect for both beginners and experts. The universal 3-jaw chuck accepts all Dremel accessory shank sizes. Plus, the pivoting LED light illuminates your work area, even in hard-to-reach spots. An innovative airflow system keeps it cool and quiet, even during extended use. It's designed for comfort and efficiency. Replaceable brushes extend the life of the tool, ensuring you get years of reliable performance from your investment. With the Dremel 4300, the possibilities are endless. Get yours today and unleash your creativity. What we like. This model is our most powerful yet, providing superior performance for even the toughest jobs. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, improving precision and control. If you prioritize power and need bright illumination for your projects, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Dremel 4300-540 high-performance rotary tool kit has proven to be an absolute powerhouse in my workshop, opening up a world of possibilities for crafting, engraving, and precision work. This comprehensive kit, complete with 5 attachments and 40 accessories, is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The LED light feature is a thoughtful addition, illuminating the workspace for enhanced visibility during intricate tasks. The 9-long tool is ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip and precise control, essential for tasks ranging from grinding and cutting to wood carving and engraving. Being able to adjust the speed is essential for control, and the flex shaft makes it easier to work on smaller projects or engraving, as you can hold the tool like a pen. I've used it to clean, polish, sharpen tools, carve wood, sand, engrave, do craft work and more. Number 3. Dremel 729-01 Kit. Transform your Dremel Rotary tool into a precision carving and engraving machine. This kit gives you everything you need to start creating intricate designs. It comes with 11 versatile accessories, all neatly stored in a reusable case for easy organization and portability. With a variety of engraving bits, you can etch detailed patterns onto various materials with precision and control. The included grinding stones allow you to sharpen and smooth surfaces, making it perfect for refining your projects. It's suitable for a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, glass, plastic, and more. Your creative possibilities are endless. This kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their Dremel projects to the next level. Get yours today. What we like. This specialized kit is perfect for intricate carving and engraving work. It includes a variety of high-quality bits and stones for precise detail work on various materials. If you're serious about detailed carving and engraving, this kit is a must-have. What people say. They are little workhorses, and they made the work quick and easy. I carved 2 large finials with lots of detail on them, and they went through the wood like butter and lasted through the project and are still as good as new. A great addition to the Dremel toolbox. Easy to use, versatile, and works well for a lot of materials. I have used all of them many times and they still look new. These are great products and work even better than what is explained. They work wonders for wood, glass, stone, and even steel engraving. They're very smooth and easy to use. Number 2. Dremel Stylo Plus. Introducing the Dremel Stylo Plus, its pen-like design gives you incredible control and makes even the most detailed projects easy. You'll appreciate how comfortable it is to hold and use. Get the perfect speed for every project. It easily adjusts from 5,000 to 22,000 RPM, ensuring you always have the right amount of power. With its extra long cord, you can move freely around your workspace. Say goodbye to being limited by a short cord. This tool is surprisingly lightweight, yet powerful. You can work comfortably for extended periods without feeling fatigued. It's perfect for light engraving, sanding, cleaning, and polishing. Remember, it's best suited for delicate tasks, not heavy-duty cutting or grinding. What we like. Its pen-like design provides exceptional comfort and control for detailed work. The lightweight build makes it easy to handle for extended periods. If you value comfort and precision for smaller projects, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. This thing is perfect and easily controlled. Just what the doctor ordered for small and hard to get to hobby modeling. It's not a do-it-all Dremel though. It's small enough to be comfortable, this will do all that well. Number 1. Dremel 200 Rotary Tool. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from delicate crafting to more demanding projects. Its 2 speeds give you the precision you need, no matter the job. Switch between 15,000 and 35,000 RPMs to tackle any project with ease. It's powerful enough for heavy-duty work, yet gentle enough for intricate details. This rotary tool offers superior performance. Use the low speed for delicate tasks, and the high speed for more demanding applications like routing, cutting, and sanding. It comes with 15 accessories and a lawn mower and garden tool sharpener, giving you everything you need to get started. You'll be ready to cut, carve, engrave, clean, polish, sand, and sharpen. From woodworking to jewelry making, it's the ideal tool for all your DIY needs. It's backed by a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. We stand behind the quality of this tool. Enjoy the confidence of a 2-year warranty with your purchase. What we like. This kit offers 2 speeds for optimal control over various materials and tasks. It comes with a selection of accessories suitable for a range of applications. If you need a versatile tool with adjustable speed for different projects, this is a great option. What people say. I use this for cosplay props and it's been serving me well for the past 2 months I've had it. I love that it came with so many different attachments. It has 2 different speeds, and I mostly just use the high speed. I haven't had any problems with it clogging up or overheating. The grout between the tiles and the kitchen counter was saturated with grease and needed replacing. Purchased this tool to grind out the old grout. It worked quite well, digging nice, deep furrows into the old hardened grout. The guide allowed me to keep straight down the planned path, with no damage to the tiles. Bought this product as I was about to do a very overdue brake job. Too many weekend got away and we were dealing with very corroded calipers and nearly welded on brake pads plates. It did exactly what I needed and the little kit it came with had every bit I needed. It was easy to use, 2-speed, light and easy to hold. Small and not to get in the corners, but there was no issue with power, it really just went to work and cleaned up a lot of problem in a hurry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.